Well, breaking news we're tracking at the moment. Viewer discretion is advised. There has been a case that is registered against a seer in Karnataka. This is a case of alleged misconduct with a minor. A criminal case has been registered in Karnataka's Yadgir district. This involves a prominent seer from Yadgir who has now been booked. The accused has been identified as Mallikarjun Mutya, seer of the Yamunarappa Mutya Mutt in Mahal Rosa village of Shahpur Taluk. The case was registered after a video allegedly showing misconduct with a minor went viral on social media, triggering outrage and public debate as well. But the Karnataka State Commission for Protection of Child Rights has filed a complaint taking suo motu cognizance, following which police have registered a case and began investigation. We've got a crucial reaction lined up for you from the chairman of the Karnataka State Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Listen in to what Shashidhar Kosambe has said.
ಯಾದಗಿರಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಶಹಾಪುರ ತಾಲೂಕಿನ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಮುತ್ಯ ಅನ್ನೋ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯು ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ತ ಒಂದು ಮಗುವಿನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಅನುಚಿತವಾಗಿ ವರ್ತಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕುರಿತು ಕಳೆದೆರಡು ದಿನಗಳಿಂದ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಜಾಲತಾಣಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಿದಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ಆಧರಿಸಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳ ರಕ್ಷಣಾ ಆಯೋಗವು ಸ್ವಯಂ ಪ್ರೇರಿತವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಕರಣ ದಾಖಲು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಪ್ರಕರಣವನ್ನು ದಾಖಲು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಆಯೋಗವು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ SP ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪತ್ರವನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಖುದ್ದಾಗಿ ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಕ್ರಮ ಕೈಗೊಂಡಂಥ ಕ್ರಮದ ವರದಿಯನ್ನು ಆಯೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಕೋರಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಕ್ರಮ ಜರುಗಿಸುವ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಆಯೋಗಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಮುಂದಿನ ವರದಿಯನ್ನು ಆಧರಿಸಿ ಮುಂದಿನ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಯೋಗವು ಮುಂದಾಗಲಿದೆ.
Deepak Bopana tracking the latest developments for us. Deepak, what are the latest details you can disclose? Disturbing details emerging.
Well, absolutely, and right now a thorough investigation is required to really get to the bottom of it, because we do not want another case, where there has been cases of exploitation against minors in particular, and then they've been getting away with it. Now, when I'm speaking to certain people who are close to this year, they say that this was completely misinterpreted. We are expecting a clear, detailed statement that is expected to come in, but nonetheless, the State Commission for Child Rights itself has taken suo motu cognizance of this. They have written to the police and they've asked for a detailed action taken report based on the findings, and the police right now have registered an FIR under sections of POCSO as well, based on this video that has been going viral, where this man Mallikarjun Mutya, he's seen holding that young minor girl and behaving inappropriately according to many, and right now an investigation will probably reveal whether there needs to be looked into, whether there are more cases like this, or whether this was a case of misunderstanding like they're actually claiming. So a thorough investigation is required. The police have registered a case and we'll probably know the answers in the days to come.